Hello again to another test of the TOEFL listening. Today we are going to focus on a lecture that has been presented by a professor of the university. As you know that TOEFL is a kind of the exam that evaluates what you know about the different kind of the topics. It is not necessary to be excel and professional in some specific topic. You have to understand what they say. Imagine yourself in a classroom of the college or the university that the professor is going to represent some information about the particular topic. You have to take a note, or even you have to understand the main point. Sometimes professors use a specific point for mention that is the most important things. For example, they raise their tone when they want to speak, or even they say that listen. It is very important. You have to think about these things and these techniques for develop your listening and understanding the general topic. Always what the question of the TOEFL is this: what is the main point of this lecture? Or what is the main purpose of this lecture? The purpose means that show, goal, and the aim. What is the general purpose and the aim of the lecture? It is different from the what's the main point of the lecture. So be careful. Now let's go to listen this lecture and answer the question very carefully. So I hope you are going to receive good mark in the TOEFL. So listen.
Now listen to the lecture.
Welcome to the REM sleep lesson. Extensive research has been done on this intriguing sleep stage, and knowing how it works can help us comprehend many different facets of our lives. In today's lecture, we'll talk about what REM sleep is, how it helps us learn and remember things, and how it affects our mental health. The quick and erratic movement of the eyes, a lack of muscle tone, and a propensity for vivid dreaming are all signs of rapid eye movement, or REM sleep. As the night goes on, this stage of sleep normally begins around 90 minutes after falling asleep and repeats every 90 minutes or so, growing longer and more intense. The brain is reportedly very active during this stage, with neural activity resembling that of alertness, according to researchers. The importance of REM sleep in learning and memory consolidation is one of its main tasks. During REM sleep, the mind is like a sponge, soaking up information and experiences from the day. The neuronal connections in our brains get stronger when we practice a skill or learn new knowledge. These neuronal connections are strengthened during REM sleep, enabling the consolidation and long-term retention of recently learned information. Lack of REM sleep can impair cognition, cause memory lapses, and make it challenging to learn new information. As I already indicated, REM sleep and emotional health are intimately related. Research has shown that the brain processes emotional experiences when you are in REM sleep, which can assist in regulating mood and lessen the strength of unpleasant feelings. In essence, REM sleep serves as a natural form of therapy that helps us manage stress and maintain emotional balance. Unfortunately, sleep problems and lack of sleep can obstruct this normal function, leaving one more susceptible to mental health problems and more emotionally reactive. REM sleep is an essential part of our sleep cycle.
What is the main idea of the lecture? How does the professor feel about the importance of REM sleep? What does the professor mean when they say,
The mind is like a sponge, soaking up information and experiences from the day.
why does the professor mention the brain's neural activity during REM sleep? Why does the professor discuss the relationship between REM sleep and emotional well-being? Why does the professor mention sleep disturbances and deprivation in the context of emotional well-being?